How to create an Alibaba account using Google. You can sign up faster using your Google account, and let's see how to do it on Alibaba. First, go to alibaba.com and click sign up. Select the sign up with Google option. A pop-up will appear. Choose the Google account you want to use. Once authorized, Alibaba will automatically pull your name and email, and your account will be created instantly. You can complete additional details like company name or location later in your profile settings. Make sure the Google account you use is the one you frequently access, as it will be your primary login method. Have you tried signing up with Google before? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can create an Alibaba account using Google. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.